Good morning children. Welcome to your maths class. Today we are going to start our new lesson. Lesson 1 fractions from your term 2A textbook. Okay. So first all of you look here. Here you can see a square. Okay. One square. Four sides are there. Four sides are equal. So it is a square. So we can consider it as a whole. Okay. We can consider it as a whole. And next, this square is divided into 5 equal parts. How many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This whole square is divided into 5 equal parts in the second picture. Next, third picture. From this 5 equal parts, I have shaded only one part. Okay. Here I have shaded only one part. And this part is equal to the fraction 1 by 5. Okay, this part is equal to the fraction 1 by 5. Okay, look here, one shaded part from the 5 equal parts. Okay, that is 1 by 5. So here, this is the, we can say this is the 1 by 5th of the whole square. This shaded part is the 1 by 5th of the whole square. Okay, understood children? So, what is a fraction? When a whole is divided into equal parts, a part or parts. Here we have written, here we have shaded only one part. So, we can write the fraction as 1 by 5. Okay, so if we shaded two parts, it is equal to the fraction 2 by 5. If we have shaded 3 parts, it is equal to the fraction 3 by 5. Okay. So, when a whole is divided into equal parts, a part or parts of the whole is called fraction. Okay. And how we can represent a fraction? A fraction is equal to numerator by denominator. The number above is called the numerator and the number we are writing below is called denominator. Numerator by denominator. And how we are writing numerator? Numerator means number of parts being referred to or number of parts we are taking. Here the number of parts shaded. Only one part is shaded. So here in the numerator, here we have 1. Okay, from the 5 equal parts, only one part is here one part is shaded. So numerator, here it is 1. Okay, and how we are writing denominator? It is total number of equal parts. Here we have 5 equal parts. So the denominator is 5. Understood? So fraction we are writing it as numerator by denominator. Numerator means number of parts being referred to and denominator means total number of equal parts. Okay, understood. Next we are going to do exercise problems from your textbook. Okay, so all of you look here. First one, here some fractional numbers are given. We want to write in numbers. Okay, so first one is 2/5. 2/5. So how we can write in numbers? So 2 will be the numerator. So first we can write 2, then fifths. So 5 will be the denominator. Okay, 2 by 5. Okay children, 2 by 5. Next one is 1/6. 1/6. So what will be the numerator? 1 will be the numerator. 1 will be the numerator and 6th. So what will be the denominator? Yes, 6. 6 will be the denominator. Okay. Next, 3/8. 3/8. So what will be the numerator here? 3. 3 will be the numerator. 3 will be the numerator. And what will be the denominator? 8. So 8 will be the denominator. Okay, so this is how we can write the fractional numbers as numbers. Okay, next one, second one. Here the fraction is given and we want to write what is the numerator and denominator. Okay, so we have already learned numerator is the number we are writing above and the denominator is the number we are writing below. Okay, so here 3 by 5. In 3 by 5, which is the numerator? Numerator is 3. Okay, 3 is the numerator and which is the denominator? It is 5. 5 is the denominator. Okay, next 18 by 23. 18 by 23. Here the numerator will be 18. 18 will be the numerator and the denominator will be 23. Yes, 23 will be the denominator. Okay, next one, third one. Here fraction is given. 5 by 8. Fraction is given. We want to shade the figure according to this fraction. Okay, so 5 by 8 means there will be 8 equal parts, isn't it? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 equal parts are there. And from this 8 equal parts, how many parts we want to shade? The numerator, it is 5. So we want to shade 5 equal parts we want to shade. Okay, you can shade any 5 parts, equal parts. Okay, so here I am shading first 5. Okay, so first 5 we can shade. Okay, children, so first 5 I have shade. So this represents 5 by 8. Okay, understood. Next one, fourth one. Here shaded parts are given. The picture is given and we want to represent it in fraction. We want to write the fraction of this shaded part. Here how many parts are, how many small squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total we have 6 and this from this 6 how many shaded? 1, 2, 3. 3 shaded. So how we can write the fraction? Yes, so we can write 3 by 6. So from this 6 equal parts, how many parts shaded? 3 parts shaded. Okay, so this is our first exercise in your textbook. Okay, look here children, one new term, equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions, from the term itself we can understand equal fractions. So that value, the same fractions. Okay, value will be same. Okay, so look here, what are equivalent fractions? Fractions that represents the same part of the whole is called equivalent fractions. Fractions that represents the same part of the whole is called equivalent fractions. And how we will get equivalent fractions? We want to multiply or divide the numerator and denominator of any fraction by the same number. Okay, except 0. How we will get equivalent fractions? We want to multiply or divide the numerator and denominator of any fraction by the same number. Look here, example 1 by 4. Here I have multiplied the numerator and denominator by 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, so here I have got 2 by 8. 2 by 8 is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 4. Okay, next look here, 4 by 18. Here I have divided numerator and denominator by 2. 4 divided by 2, it will be 2. 18 divided by 2, it is 9. Okay, so here we got 2 by 9. 2 by 9 is an equivalent fraction of 4 by 18. So how we will get equivalent fractions? We want to divide or multiply the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the same number. Okay, so look here, one example is given here. Here circle, first one is the circle is divided into 4 equal parts and one part is shaded. here we can represent as 1 by 4. Okay, then next same circle, it is divided into 8 equal parts and 2 parts are shaded. But look here children, the same part, no, same region is shaded. But here from the 8 equal parts, 2 parts shaded. So here we can represent as 2 by 8. But here it is 1 by 4. So it is the same part is shaded, isn't it? So these 1 by 4 and 2 by 8 are equivalent fractions. So here we got now 1 by 4 and 2 by 8. 2 by 8 is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 4. Okay children, understood? Okay children, so only this much for today. Complete your notes neatly and study well children. Okay, thank you.